MTD network capacity video here at Ferrositi. This component here clearly illustrates how one of their latest investments in the Mazak i600 has enabled them to manufacture a complex component such as this in one operation complete. Previously they would have had to have done this in multiple fixtures and multiple setups. Now on the i600 in one operation with a snap-off feature. You can see here with the dovetail how they've held on minimal stock. And then they've incorporated a snap-off feature here, and it finishes complete like this. For this kind of work in one operation, contact Ferrositi today.